Good morning from Peloponnese, from the beautiful prefecture of Ilia in Pyrgos. We are really glad to be here in the 5th year of AgriBusiness Forum that today is taking place at this very beautiful area. So it is our great pleasure to welcome you at the AgriBusiness Forum Peloponnese, which is taking place in Pyrgos, Ilia, and we are starting today at the 3rd of June, and we will complete the forum tomorrow on Saturday. We are going to talk about the Agri-Food Systems of Peloponnese for all. This year's event is taking place at an era that, apart from the climate crisis, which has been affecting our planet's ecosystem severely, the recent developments, I'm talking about the war between Russia and Ukraine, create crucial questions regarding food security, adequacy, and the resilience of the agri-food systems around the world. Peloponnese, and more specifically Ilia, are an important part of the agri-food sector of our country. Now they have to implement strategies adapted to the challenges of our era. On the one hand, the climate change, and the other hand, the food security, that will be able to secure the sustainability of agricultural production and safeguard the prosperity of the local societies. Precision farming, environmental protection, high-yield crops, financing tools, human capital, prevention and risk prevention and risk management, synergies between the primary sector, research and the businesses are amongst the issues that will be discussed in this year's AgriBusiness Forum, which is taking place in Western Greece, in Ilia. All those discussions will be also broadcasted online in real time. So, in the 7 sessions that will be conducted today and tomorrow, 35 important speakers from the 3 sectors of science, production and businesses will define the challenges, will make substantial proposals for the future of the agri-food systems of Peloponnese in this digital era. The forum will be completed tomorrow with a field visit on a very innovative winery with organic wines with zero carbon footprint. This forum is taking place with the help of 3 very important institutions. On the one hand, the region of Western Greece and the head of the region, Mr. Farmakis. On the other hand, the city of Pyrgos and its mayor, Mr. Antonakopoulos, and last but not least, the University of Patras, and the rector, Mr. Bouras, and the 2 vice rectors, Mr. Dimopoulos and Mr. Bouras, who all together have helped us in order to organize this event, AgriBusiness Forum of Peloponnese. And we do hope to come again and again and every year to organize this forum here in Peloponnese, apart from Athens, Thessaly and Macedonia. When it comes to the agri-food supply chain, we try to become a hub of networking, promotion of collaborations and information. We always try to talk about cutting-edge issues to collaborate with organizations not only of a national and regional but also international activity, such as the Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations, UN Women, the Embassy of the Netherlands, the Ministries of Agricultural Development, Food, and also the Ministry for Environment and Energy. Agribusiness organizes conferences, forums, educational seminars, as well as travels in very specific countries such as the Netherlands, in order to give the opportunity for transfer of know-how for sustainable and profitable agri-food systems, not only in Greece but also around the world. It will be completed with a series of events. Amongst others, in August we are going to go to 11 field visits with institutional stakeholders. Then on the 14th of October, the AgriBusiness Thessaly, and we will conclude this year on the 15th of November with the 5th International AgriBusiness Forum in Athens. Our greatest forum where a lot of stakeholders will come and participate in the works of this forum.